Welcome back to another edition of Cars of Sweden Life. Tjenare, välkommen. Today we are in a Land Rover from 1998, and this one's called a Combi 100, I believe. Right, I think this one went down as a Defender as well, so it's one of the earlier models, or design should I say. I think this is the second generation, but I thought, yeah, we'll take this one out because it's a little bit special. Yeah, it's kind of like stealthed out. It's got all the bits and pieces that you would expect from a Land Rover. So let's see if we can get this thing started. I think it's got a switch down here that we've got to turn, and there we have it. Right, so as you would expect, 5-speed gearbox, diff lock. This thing is ready to go off-road, so why should we disappoint? Let's take it through its motions, shall we? Right, let's go. Right. Right, so if I can adjust that mirror a little bit. Right, so if you were to look up this car, try and get the details from it, it would come back saying that it's a 2.5 diesel. But in fact, the diesel, the 2.5 engine has been taken out of this, and it's got a 3-litre diesel, turbo diesel put in there in place. So let's see if we can get it up there. Alright, it's a bit cold at the moment. But a little thing like that shouldn't be any problem for a Land Rover, should I say. Right. So we've got this little tight dirt track here. Right, let's try and get it in the right gear. Alright, that wasn't the right gear, obviously. Right, let's try that one again. Right, maybe I should have warmed the engine up a little bit before I attempted this. But anyway, I'm sure everybody watching this video today kind of knows the history of the Land Rover, how it sort of came about, because it was like England's attempt, or Britain's attempt, at a Willys Jeep, and the rest is history. This car has been used all around the world, whether it's a military vehicle or an agricultural vehicle. It's literally bulletproof, unless the engine's cold. Right. So I thought I'd take it on this little dirt track just to show you guys what it's all about. But this particular car, as you can see, it's kind of been stealthed out. It kind of, yeah, I mean, it's been hand painted. And if you know about your Land Rovers, you'll know that, you know, these cars are like aluminium, and they ain't gonna rust anytime soon. Right, let's see if we can negotiate this a little bit better. So this particular car is being re-registered as a LPV vehicle. Or classified as a light truck. A light, yeah, so which means that its taxing bracket is really low than what it would normally be anyway. But it also means that you lose the back seats, so this car can only officially take 2 people, even though it's a 9-seater. And I guess it's up to you whether you reclass it as a personal car, or you leave it as a sort of small truck. But that's all up to you. But it's a Range Rover, and I know these cars are, yeah, people are out after them. This one is original one from 1998. It's got all the toys. If you look at the back there, it's got the safari window up there. I think that's what they call that. It's got all the seats in the car, all 9. It runs really well. You know, it's the 3 litre. I'm not sure about what the horsepower is on this one, but I'm guessing it's around 130, 135. But you know, it's all about pulling power with this car, isn't it? So I guess that's what we'd be more interested in. But there you have it, out of the woods, back onto the road. No problem. But anyway, this one is a Bilweb car as well. Drives perfectly. Everything seems to work on the car. It's up for auction. Not exactly sure when, but if I find out, I'll put a little thing there so you can see it. Yeah, so just a different little thing, but you know, another car, unusual car that's not, you don't see every day up on the show, and this one could be yours. Right, let me grab that handbrake and let's switch that way off. So there you have it, another Cars of Sweden live exclusive. This one up for auction anytime soon, and yeah, it could be yours. So if you like the show, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget, we broadcast every Wednesday, or we try to anyway. Thanks for checking out the show, and we'll see you all again soon.